Class is in session. Welcome to Professor HODL, where we master the art and science of building lasting wealth through disciplined investing. As your professor, I'm here with your daily market briefing. The biggest moves from the last 24 hours in Tesla, Bitcoin, Solana, SpaceX, and a few other key names that serious investors watch. We'll keep it really simple and fun. What happened, why it matters, and what it could mean for your own money. Think of me as your friendly professor grabbing coffee with you and breaking it all down like we're just chatting. No fancy talk, just plain English so you feel way more confident. Tesla is straight up crushing it right now. The stock has skyrocketed over the past few days and is knocking right on the door of $400 as hype builds for next week's earnings. The company just rolled out its spring 2026 software update loaded with new AI features and self-driving tools. And Elon Musk posted on X hyping the upcoming robotaxi event. That post blew up with hundreds of thousands of likes and shares. James from @InvestAnswers on X has been all over how Tesla's AI push is one of the strongest long-term plays out there. Herbert as @Herbert Ong on X and Cern as @Cern Basher on X have both been posting non-stop about the Optimus robot progress and how it ties into the bigger Tesla SpaceX picture. For beginners, picture it like this. Tesla is going full throttle on smart cars, robots, and AI that could change everything. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The future looks incredibly bright. Bitcoin is looking strong and steady around $76,000 after a solid week. Goldman Sachs just filed for a new Bitcoin Premium Income ETF, giving regular investors another easy way to jump in on the action. Michael Saylor as @Saylor on X has been posting about how Bitcoin is becoming the ultimate corporate treasury asset, and his latest updates have been getting huge engagement. James from InvestAnswers has also been pointing out how the big institutional money is quietly piling in. For new investors, Bitcoin is kind of like digital gold. It keeps stepping up as a safe spot when the world feels shaky and the big players are still buying strong. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The momentum feels unstoppable. Solana had a nice bounce, climbing and sitting around $88 after pushing above 90 recently. The network just saw fresh ETF inflows, and trading activity on its decentralized exchanges hit new highs. Marty, as @Martyparty Music on X, has been super bullish on Solana's ecosystem growth, posting about how the network keeps delivering real utility every day. CTO as @CTO Larsson on X, and Mando as rektmando on X, who regularly join James from InvestAnswers on his YouTube show, DCA Live, have also been highlighting Solana's speed and low fees as a game changer. If you're new, think of Solana like a speedy highway for apps and digital money. It's getting faster and more popular every day. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The ecosystem is firing on all cylinders. SpaceX kept the good vibes rolling with another flawless Starlink launch and more progress on the next Starship flight. These launches are adding satellites left and right and quietly boosting the whole Elon Musk family of companies. Herbert, as @Herbert Ong on X, has been posting about how SpaceX's steady execution is a huge tailwind for everything Tesla related. For beginners, SpaceX is like the reliable engine behind the scenes making big things happen in space and tech. This is setting up for massive gains ahead. The sky really is the limit. Putting it all together, the last 24 hours gave us a ton of exciting energy across the board. Remember the professor's simple framework. Watch the bigger picture of what's happening in the world, look for chances where the possible gain feels way bigger than the possible loss, and build a mix of investments that can handle ups and downs without making you lose sleep. This daily update is here to give you the key stuff in plain English so you can feel more confident before the next trading day starts. Until next time, students, keep thinking deeper and investing smarter. Class dismissed.